escaped. I had to get out to the woods and just sit for a bit. I got 2 episodes out. I have no service out here, and the service that I can get up here isn't fast enough to upload videos. I came here to get them online, and I've had to spend whole days just trying to find Wi-Fi. I have a car, new drone. I think that's it. This episode's gonna be a real pretty episode. It's gonna be a real pretty, green, and floofy episode. All right, good morning.
Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
We're gonna run now. Oh, we did it. We're gonna see sunrise. Oh my God. Okay, it is frigid, my friends. 49 degrees, windy, to the highest point that I could possibly get to. I've had nothing but goosebumps for an hour. It's so dumb, it's so cold. I was gonna say that this was so much scarier this morning. Just as scary. Something about walking through the woods alone. I really need to get into town and get a jacket though. Oh. Yeah, I should still be out shooting. Cue the 15-minute drive for me to get to the clothing store.
Right now and then turn left.
Just got to Dorking. You know, it's so green up here, I keep forgetting my sunglasses, and it makes me look angry all the time, but I'm not, just squinting. Let's take all the gear, never know. It's the view from the parking lot. You park there, and it looks that nice. It says it's here. It's not here. We found it. Got a new shirt, new jacket, so I won't freeze anymore. Was told by the lady there, Amy, that I had to get cream tea while I was here. Tea with milk and a scone with clotted cream and jam. Have to try that out. She was asking me where I was going next, and I said I'm gonna take a trip up to Bath. She goes, it's Bath. And I did say on a podcast many times that I will fall in love with the first woman that says Bath to me. And she was cute, so I don't know. Dorking is cute though. They said to go down to Cake Rider. Sure enough, right down the street, there's a place called Cake Rider. Let's go get some cream tea. Story of my life. We're gonna go over to the Denby's Wine Estate. See if we can get some cream tea. Try it proper. Oh man. All I can think about is Amy now. Like a little backstory. You're like, here's why she's perfect. This vineyard is massive. That's why it's called a wine estate, apparently, because it's an entire estate. I drove in through piles of grapes. Looks like a lot of old people though, so I'm in good company. I'm with my kind. Old people that like tea and crumpets and scones. Scones? Scones. They call them scones. That's something. That's really nice. Our conversation in the shop was like, do you even know what a scone is? And then someone else was like, it's like a biscuit. The other one's like, no, it's not a biscuit because biscuits are cookies here. And I'm like, you know, it is a biscuit. It's like a biscuit. It's like a sweet biscuit, but clotted cream is something special. I would never have come to a vineyard had I not known that they have proper cream tea. Thank you. Or, as you would say, cheers. I cannot get Wi-Fi service to save my life in this country. Tea time's over. We're gonna go back to the place that I ate at yesterday because that's the only place that I've reliably been able to upload anything, I think. I don't know if it was reliable. Let's try it. I don't know. We gotta go. Fucking pee! Whew, that was fun. Well, I almost got hit by a car, but I wasn't recording, so does it really matter? We're gonna go explore. Look at all the free berries. This is just free berry country. Oh! Hell, there's corn. It's just corn growing. Or wheat. Wheat or corn or something. What does it matter? Something growing. Be happy. Be happy that things are growing. Be happy that life is happening all around us. In case you couldn't tell, I've had one of those days where I slept very little and ate a lot. So I have weird energy. I'm gonna fly over this damn valley. Only one car, there's like nobody here. It's a guy mowing the lawn. Hey, let's fly my new toy. Way too many neck straps on. I'm suffocating. Oh God, this is what it's like. This is how I die. Ugh, if there's water up here, I am gonna lose my mind. There is. You guys know I love a good body of water. Oh my God, it just started raining. Panic. I had the drone up. I was about to get all the cool shots of me running around with the drone on me. Whoa, it would be so cool. Nope, not happening. Not today, bub. Oh, I gotta run uphill. This backpack is not light. We're so far out. Look at how far we have to go. This is so heavy. Oh no. I gotta put you away. You're getting wet. I made it. I ducked under some trees, but it's not getting better. It's just getting worse. Oh no! It's like, forget about being unguided. You guys are like, this idiot needs someone to check the weather for him. That's all. I don't need to be told where to go. I'm an idiot. I knew it was coming.